In this video, we are going to discuss about service portfolio management real-time example. So what is a service portfolio? The main task of service portfolio process is to provide set of tools for assessing and also approval of new or changed services and to manage the IT services throughout their life cycle. So you can, as we discussed in our previous example about the ABC shopping website. So here about the new or changed services. Previously we used to browse the websites to do a shopping, but later on when the smartphones took over the internet, then the mobile websites or mobile applications are introduced into the Google Play Store. From there we download those websites and we wait for any offers provided by certain or ABC shopping website, so that we log into the web application or we log into the mobile application and we purchase the products. So here about new services is introducing a mobile application into the market, and change services, that means changing the graphical user interface of the web www.abc.com addresses and also the web pages as well. So you can see service portfolio management is often regarded as inconsequential by small and mid-sized services. That means it is inconsequential, that is it follows the trend what market is presently, and also nevertheless it provides some good practices and techniques. That means you can see in a mobile application that you will be having a clear on the right side top corner. When you click on that, you can see about menswear, children's wear, women's wear, footwear, and everything you can see clearly. So when you tap on that, you can clearly go to that page and view the products in that page. So it's like providing some good practices and techniques and also mindset guidelines that can be useful during initial and best practices before introduced into the market. So what are the basics of service portfolio management? The basics of service portfolio management consists of three parts. One is services which are in the pipeline, about the service catalogs, and third one is about the retired services. Coming to service pipeline represents all new services or changes in the existing services that emerge from the strategy phase. That means when you wanted to try and launch a shopping website, so based on the strategy you launch it. After launching, this becomes the guidelines for future new services and also change to the existing services. As we discussed about the web access to the shopping website and also mobile application for the shopping website, mobile application is considered as a new service, and changes to the web pages in the web access to the shopping website is called changes to the existing services. So it is done through the design and also prepared through the operation phase by the transition activities also here. And also you can see service catalog represents what the service provider can do for the business now. That means service catalog have all the service information that if you take the website or the mobile application, you can clearly have FAQs there, you can clearly see terms and conditions there, and also you can clearly view what are all the out of stock and in stock products available there. And also it consists of services themselves, resources, assets used on business outcomes achieved by the usage of services. So if any shopping deal like they declare about end of season sale and all will be posted to you, so the mobile applications will give you an alert on your mobile phones that end of season sale is starting on so and so date, as well as you can see when you access some websites, you can see a flag or a small banner kind of a post in the website stating about the end of season sale. These are all the marketing services or strategies of the company. Based on the services, the business now what they can do is calculated based on the service portfolio, and as we discussed, service catalog is the only part of service portfolio available to the customer view, so that they can see and go through all the details of services, supporting products, terms and conditions, escalation matrix, etc. very clearly here.